Today, we will discuss Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI. Both platforms enable users to create images from text prompts, a key feature of contemporary AI image generation tools. Both platforms make use of Stable Diffusion and other well-known AI image generation models as their part of foundational technology. This indicates that they each possess comparable fundamental image generation abilities. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Leonardo AI identifies as an all-encompassing platform for generating creative assets powered by artificial intelligence. It offers an extensive array of tools for different creative requirements such as image creation, modification, and 3D texture production. It aims to offer users precise control over image creation and the capacity to train personalized models. Leonardo AI seeks to provide a more comprehensive creative suite, including functionalities such as video creation. OpenArt AI highlights editing features that are native to AI. It emphasizes delivering tools for improving and enhancing AI created images, including painting, AI enlargement, and upscaling. It provides an extensive variety of AI models. It excels at refining AI created artifacts and facilitating iterative enhancements, widely considered to have a highly intuitive interface. Similar to all AI image creation platforms, the quality of the results heavily relies on the quality of the user input. All in all, if you need a comprehensive AI creative suite with features like video generation, Leonardo AI might be a better fit. If you prioritize advanced editing tools and the ability to refine AI generated images, OpenArt AI is a strong contender.